Well, now I've finished machining this up, got this kind of to the shape I want. Where's my chuck key? I can't find my chuck key. Normally I keep it in the chuck key holder. Anyway, now we've got this kind of, I've got enough meat here, I can reshape this. I've left this on here, obviously, so I can hold in the lathe. But we're going to cut that off in a minute. Now I've got a nice machine surface, I can hold it this way, we can shape it up. Okay, I've become kind of attached to these. They're silly. Anyway, this is my bezel or headlight rim. So I'm going to do a job on this rim here, which I guess will be a rim job. That's terrible. Anyway, what I'm going to do, finish machining this up. And what I've done, that was just my finished cut. I machined this up so the rim receives this nice tight fit. Jeez, tight like the first night. Next thing we're going to do, I'm going to face this off a little because I want this more, a little bit more flush with the glass here. I'm going to put a nice radius there to give it a bit of character. Okay, I've got my top slide adjusted there, a bit of an angle. I'm just going to cut a nice angle on there. I'm going to start by hand, put a radius on there and shape it. This is extremely dangerous. Never stand here. If it catches, it will go through you like cheese through a fucking goose. This is definitely OSHA approved. Safety. Yeah, I should really talk about safety. Okay, get a nice radius on there. Okay, you kind of get the idea now. Shape it just with a file and lathe. Just be really careful. Just be really careful. You might get dirty. See, I might still machine this off a little bit, but at the moment, gives you an idea. There's this. It's starting to look like a headlight. You can do whatever you want. There's enough meat here, usually with these. Here. You can shape it however the fuck you want to do it. So anyway, we're now at this point, I'm going to cut this nub off now. I'm going to cut this nub off the end here and I can smooth it out. By the way, this is a headlight. I'm not trying to turn this into Ben-Hur. This is, this is not something that's taken me days to do. This is a couple of hours. We've just kind of drawn it out a little. So I cut the nub off, machined it a little bit, sanded a bit. I put the bezel in the chuck. I'm going to put this in here, little false center in its hole. Something like having a false center in your hole. Nip this up. And we start sanding, moving it out. Keep going with finer. Now, see, nice headlight. You can shape it some more. See, that goes in there. Obviously, you put some screws in there. That it kind of all stays together when you're done. And you can polish your shit out of it. It'll come up nice. You can shape it more if you want. You can do whatever the hell you want. Use your imagination.